Welcome to TTS 2.0. Mutton Tawa Keema Chef Md Alamraza Khan Restaurant Style Homemade Recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams mutton mince, keema. 2 medium onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons oil or ghee. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped for garnish. Salt to taste. Instructions: heat oil or ghee. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee on a large tawa, griddle, or a deep pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them crackle. Cook onions. Add finely chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Add tomatoes and spices. Add the chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and oil starts to separate from the masala. Cook the mutton keema. Add the mutton mince, keema, to the tawa. Break it up with a spoon and mix it well with the masala. Cook on medium-high heat, stirring frequently, for about 10 to 15 minutes until the keema is browned and cooked through. Add green chilies and spices. Add green chilies, black pepper powder, and cumin powder. Stir well and cook for another 5 minutes. Finish with garam masala and lemon. Sprinkle garam masala powder and squeeze in the lemon juice. Stir to mix everything. Garnish and serve. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with naan, roti, or pav. Enjoy your delicious mutton tawa keema. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.